Ma'am, the plaque of appreciation that we are going to award you later,
Okay.
is it going to be the principal?
Okay.
Okay.
I will call the principal to introduce what time you will
Maybe ma'am, after the first session around 9:45 to
Thank
9:50.
you. Okay, around 10?
Yes, around 10.
Because he said for me that he have like parents meeting today, but around 10 he can pop in. So I think it would be perfect, the perfect timing.
Okay, thank you,
I
ma'am.
would inform him.
But just give me the name so I can have it here.
The name of the principal?
Yes.
For you, not for me.
As long as I can pronounce it, it's fine.
Yeah, Atullah Parker. A-T-A-U.
Okay, that's a little part right there. Seriously, it's easy. It's the easiest name I've been.
Really?
Yes. Abdullah.
Atullah, A-T.
Let's go. On? All right. Good morning, everyone. Are you guys sleepy or like, what's up? You're not sleepy? All right, then. Good morning. Well done. All right, guys. I'm Eddie. I'll be talking about a bunch of stuff. Hi. By the way, ooh, okay. The camera. Hi to our friends in the live stream. Hi, good morning to you guys too. We'll be live on YouTube. From that, let me tell you about the small voice, big difference competition. Okay? But before that, everybody, I got to welcome everybody, right? So, welcome to the Lacnor School Workshop supported by the Dubai Municipality. Okay? So, what's the competition about? The competition, it's very easy. It's got like 3 simple steps. But if you win, you can win a 1-year school tuition fee or an annual subscription to music, science, sport lessons, stuff like this. So let me show you guys what you're going to win aside from a year of tuition.
And we got Air Maniacs. Anybody used the Air Maniacs before? No? Oh, all right. Heard about it. Great. It's a trampoline park. You can go there for 1 whole year, any time of the year you want. All right? And next is Curiosity Lab. Okay, we're in the lab now. Anybody here likes to do science experiments?
Yeah.
All right, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 almost. 11. Well done. Right. You can go there. You can have a lot of fun. You can do cool experiments. As you can see, it's like it's on fire. I think that's with dry ice. You can do some cool experiments. And now we got aspire gymnastics. Anybody here into gymnastics? Yeah, maybe. Well, the next one. Martial arts now. There we go. All right. So we got martial arts classes for 1 year. When you win, you can go there for a whole year. Have a lot of fun. You know, maybe kick somebody or stuff like that. Right. Then we got courtyard playhouse. All right. Anybody here wants to be an actor? Come on. Only 3?
I like to be an actor.
Seriously? That's it? So you can go there for 1 year. You can teach how to do acting. They're gonna teach you how to do comedy. Cool. Yes.
Is there one
QR code
right under it? Yes.
I know Lacnor.
You do?
You do?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
That's cool.
All right. So under this, there's a QR code. You scratch this off, you scan the QR code, and after that, it's going to take you to a website and you register. I'll get back to you. When you register, it's going to give you a little code, right? Then after that, we have step 3, the easiest step, and the most important step. So what step 3 is? Who here has Instagram? First of all, let's see. All right, we got 3. Whose parents have Instagram? All right, exactly. So if you don't have Instagram yourselves, you can tell your parents about it and be like, hey mom, hey dad, because you have to tell your parents about the competition in the first place anyway. So you'd be like, hey mom, hey dad, let's make this video. Okay, what's this video about? You have to be like, hey, what can we do as a community? Not just yourself, right? I can't say like if I do this, like all of us. If all of us do this, we'll be healthier as a community. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Okay. So let's see any cool ideas about how we can be healthier as a community. Anybody here? Yeah, come on. Here. Come over here. Let's talk about that. So, tell me your cool idea about how, here, turn around so everybody can see you. Okay, so give us your cool idea about how we, as a community, can become healthier.
The only way we can be healthier is about stop using plastic.
All right, that's for the environment, exactly. So the competition is in 2 sections, right? One is for health, one is for environment, right? The Lacnor one is for Lacnor Kids Council for health, right? That's for us being healthy. Then we have Oasis Kids Council for environment. That exactly. Your idea there, that's in the environment section. So we take care of the environment. Everybody's cleaner. Everybody breathes better air. No more pollution. You get me? Yeah. Give me a fist bump. Everybody. Yes, tell me.
How about make a competition with the most bring the most plastic so they can win prizes?
Yeah, we do have that, I think. Something. Well, that's a great idea. Exactly. This is the smart kid here, seriously? You have here, he's talking about coding classes, you have this idea. That's a great idea, exactly. You can, again, that's another idea which you can share. You can say there, like, hey, Oasis, what are you doing? You can do this competition. You can save a lot of people from, having a lot of plastic in their houses, and also you can, someone's going to win. When there's a competition, people want to participate, right? Exactly. Thank you so much. Everybody clap for your friend. Come on.
Anybody else with a cool idea? Let's see.
Come on. Anybody else? You with the orange mask. Come over.
All right.
How are you? So, what's your name?
Muhammad.
All right, Muhammad, tell me your cool idea about how we can be healthier as a community.
I think we should do a competition of running around houses and stuff. So we can exercise and be healthy, and we can win stuff.
Exactly. So aside from, again, winning stuff, that's cool. I like everybody's ears. They're trying to point stuff and win stuff. I like that. So you see, like as you said, right? You have to, run around your house maybe, be more healthier. We got Dubai Fitness Challenge coming up too. So everybody's going to be healthier a little bit more, right? Exactly. So that's one idea. That's one idea. Thank you so much. You can have a seat. Everybody, please. Thank you. All right. Yes.
I don't have a cool idea, but I have a question.
Yes. Ask me.
Do we have to bring this or any bottle?
No, it's not just exactly this. There's like a small bottle, the big bottle. The important part is it should have the QR code. The only thing. Yes.
Can we bring like water bottles or only this?
For what? For the competition, you just need the QR code. You just scan the QR code, and that's the competition. All right. Yes, you have a question? How many winners?
We have one winner for Lacnor plus 10 other winners winning the subscription. And it's the same thing for Oasis Water as
So
well.
how many schools are competing?
Oh, a lot of schools.
So
So it's open for everyone. In school, out of school, doesn't matter.
I have to spend all my entire money just to get.
Well, no, not all your money. It's just like if you buy like a small juice here, it's about the QR code. That's all about.
So you only need to submit one entry. It's not about submitting a lot of entries, but it's the quality of idea that you have for health and also for environment. So even if you only have one entry, if your idea is really good, it could get you a prize.
All right. So that's like 3 simple steps. And again, when you go on Instagram, so we don't forget about this. When you go on Instagram, don't forget to put your unique code there, because when you scan the code and register, it's going to give you a code. And yeah, it'll have to be a video on Instagram. So that's the way you qualify for the competition.
Maybe they don't see it.
No, everybody will be seen. The way we will see this, it's not like one person is sitting behind this, right? There's a team, and they'll review all the entries. So you all, because to be seen, you have to make sure you tag Lacnor Arabia and use hashtag Lacnor Healthy Future, or if it's Oasis product, tag our Oasis UAE and use hashtag Oasis Healthy Planet. And again, the important part, don't forget your little code. Yes.
One question.
Yes.
When you will return the old Lacnor?
The old Lacnor, what? The bear?
No, the other one. It's like a purple one.
Which one?
I don't know, but
It was like a juice or a drink?
it's a juice.
It's a juice. Like it's not like a milk thing, right?
Yeah.
Well, again, you see here where the cool idea is. We have to bring competition. You have to do coding classes. You have to bring the old Lacnor back. I like this
So
guy.
that's surprise, yeah, that you want the old one, but definitely we'll have a look at that.
Can I get my 1 year lifetime of McDonald's?
So again, aside from all of this, if you didn't get what I said, just make sure you go to LacnorKidsCouncil.com or check the posters we will leave in your school, or check the activity book and the gift bags that all of you will be getting later. Your teacher's going to hand you guys gift bags. I like that you guys are smart here, is like asking questions, giving out points. Like, we have other schools, we've been to other schools, but like this engagement, I like that. So, and all of that aside, now, are you excited to learn a lot? You don't. You have an idea? Yeah. Come over here. Tell me your idea. Then we're gonna start learning. Let's go.
I think
we should stop
stop
pollution so
pollution
that
so that
rain
more rain
can come
comes
down
down
for the
for the
farmers, for
farmers,
the
for the
fruit and
fruit and
vegetables.
vegetables.
Exactly. So we will have to use less water from the wells and stuff, so we save more water. So less pollution, more rain. All right? Everybody, please clap for your friends.
Thank you so much. Okay,
Now to teach us about healthy food, like we're here to learn about health, all right? And the next session is about environment. So right now we have our friend here from Dubai Municipality. She's Miss Zain. All right, she's going to be talking about healthy food groups, what's in a healthy food plate, and she'll be talking about food heroes. Yep. Please, everybody, give it up for Miss Zain.
Good morning, everyone. Have you drank your milk this morning?
Yes.
Do you drink your milk every morning?
Sometimes, yeah.
Okay, we need to drink milk. We will later get to know why.
Yeah.
So today we're going to learn about how we need to eat healthy foods, how we can have a healthy lunchbox as well. Okay? But before we do anything, we need to wash our hands, right? Can you tell me when do we need to wash our hands? Before we eat, okay. After we eat, okay. When do we need to wash our hands?
Before we touch something, we don't know if it's clean or not.
Yes, before, when we touch things, okay. When also we need to wash our hands? When do you think? Very important.
We touch vegetables and fruit.
Okay, but something very, very important. Who can tell? Yeah.
After we play outside.
After we play outside with our friends, with our pets.
After cleaning your home.
Yeah. And?
After you touch
Yes,
Yes,
after we play with the pets.
yes.
But also, I'm waiting for a very important answer.
No one told me yet when do we need to wash our hands. When do you usually wash our hands also?
when we're washing our vegetables or fruits.
Yeah, another answer.
After we go to the bathroom.
Exactly, after also we use the toilet. It's very important that we need to wash our hands, right? Okay, great. So, all your answers are correct. So after using the toilet, before and after our food, after you sneeze, your cough, you put your hands on your nose, after you play outside with your friends, after you touch your pets, okay? It's very important that we need to wash our hands. Okay, so since here we are in the lab and we have the privilege of having like a washing basin, do you want to show me what's the correct way of washing hands here in the basin? Who wants to show us the proper way and explain to your friends as well? Can you come here maybe? No, here from here.
Oh, okay. Anyway.
Yeah, from here. Okay.
First thing you need to open the water.
Okay.
Then you need to do like this and do it.
Can you make your voice louder?
Then you need to do like this. Then you need to do it again. Then you need to stir the water.
Okay, and we need to have a dry towel. We need to dry it with a clean paper towel. Okay, great. Anyone here wants to also show us and explain what's the correct way of washing our hands? Yeah. What's your name?
Hilal.
Hilal. Okay, Hilal, show us how to wash our hands and explain that to your friends.
First, you want to rub it like this. Very well. And then if you have soap, you do it afterwards.
Yes, and then
Very
soap as well, yes.
And then wash it again. And then you can dry it with a full towel or maybe sit and you dry it use more.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. So yes, we need of course also soap if our hands is very dirty. So the right way of washing our hands that we need to use it with warm water and soap for a minimum of 20 seconds, right? Okay, and don't forget to wash your hands under your nails, between your fingers, up and down your hands, okay? And also we need to dry it with a clean towel, not with our clothes like this. Okay? All our clothes are dirty, it has germs, it can pass bacteria again. So we need to be safe, okay? And this should be a usually like a usual habit, especially before you eat your food. It's very important before you touch your food, before you eat your lunchbox, in your break time, we need to wash our hands. Okay? So now we will get to know or meet very exciting friends. You want to meet your friends?
Who are this over there?
ما هو هلا احنا we will meet some friends, they are called food heroes. So let's welcome now our food heroes.
And ladies and gentlemen, we got Jamila.
Yay! Say hi to Jamila.
That's Doobie.
And Doobie.
And Nasheed. Morning.
I like this one. This was my childhood.
They can stay here. Yeah. Okay, so we have 6 food heroes, but today we have two guests only, Jamila and Nasheed. These we call them our food heroes. And this is our friend Doobie from Lacnor, okay? So the food heroes are actually food groups to teach us how we can eat healthy food, okay? So I want you all now to focus with me here because we will play some games later and we will see who was focusing and we will get a prize, okay? Okay, our first food hero here, her name is Ghalia. Ghalia is a wheat. She represents the carbohydrate or starch group. Can you give me examples of carbohydrate or starch? Yeah?
Rice.
Rice, okay. What else?
For sandwich or
Bread, sandwich, yes.
potatoes.
Potatoes can be starchy vegetables, yes, okay. Sorry, okay, cereals, yes. Apples, not really a starch group. Okay, so yes, so starch, when we talk about starch, we are talking about bread, rice, pasta, chapati, okay? Cereals, all of this are, Ghalia is our food hero from the carbohydrates. Why do you think we need to eat rice and pasta and rice and starch?
Because it's healthy.
Yes,
It's healthy. It's good. It's tasty.
What does it give you?
It gives you energy.
Energy, thank you. Yes. So it gives you energy, okay, throughout the day. So that's why we cannot skip our starch in the meal, okay? And it gives you fibers as well. Especially if you eat whole grains, it gives you B vitamins. So make sure you eat your starch every day, okay? Our group, okay? When I say protein, I mean meat, chicken, fish, eggs, and even like vegetarian protein.
Capital school. Yeah. He says a few of the food heroes have been to the capital school.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
The heroes they can go.
Okay. Our third food hero is this beautiful lady. Her name is Jamila. Remember her name? Jamila. She is our fruity group. Who has fruit in his lunchbox today? What type of fruit you have in your lunchbox?
Banana and apple, oranges.
Wow, all of this. Wow, excellent. Okay, what do you have fruit in your lunchbox? Strawberries. Pears. Apples. Who has fruit in his lunchbox today? Yeah. Tomatoes is a fruit or a vegetable? Okay. Orange. Fruits in your lunchbox today? Cucumber is vegetables. Yeah. Okay. So the fruits are important because it gives us vitamins and minerals to keep your immune system strong. So we can fight off the diseases around us, right? Like viruses and bacteria, especially nowadays. So that's why we need to keep our immune system strong. So make sure you eat your fruits every day and have fruits in your lunchbox, okay? But most important, make sure to wash the fruits and the vegetables before you eat them to keep them safe, okay? Then we have our food hero. Remember his name? Nasheed. Nasheed is our broccoli. He is from the vegetables group. Again, who has vegetables in his lunchbox today? What do you have vegetables? Cucumbers. Cucumbers. Any more vegetables? Cucumber. Tomatoes, yes. Carrots. Okay, excellent. Onions, yes. So onions, carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, broccoli. Okay, all of these are vegetables. So vegetables are equally important to fruits because they will provide us also with the vitamins and minerals also to keep our immune system strong. Okay? So we can fight off the diseases and germs and bacteria, right? Okay? It has also fibers, which is good for our digestion. It gives us antioxidants. Okay? But again, we need to make sure to wash our vegetables well before we eat them. Okay? And they need to be refrigerated if it's peeled. Now, this is my best friend. His name is Mufid. He represents the dairy group. Okay? When I mean dairy group, I'm talking about milk, yogurt, cheese, butter. Can you give me a name of one vitamin and one mineral in the dairy group? Why they are important? One vitamin and one mineral name. Yeah. Calcium is a mineral, yes. And what other vitamin? Vitamin D. Yes, excellent. So we have in the dairy group vitamin D and calcium. And they are very important for our bones. Bones, teeth, okay? Now you are young, you have the chance to accumulate the calcium inside your body. Afterwards, after 25 years, you cannot have more calcium. So it's very important that you drink milk, eat cheese, eat yogurt every day so you can have enough calcium and you have strong bones. So if you fell down, you don't break your legs or hands, okay? But always make sure they are refrigerated. They are cool, okay, to keep them safe. Our last food hero for today, his name is Latif. Who he is? What he is? He is a nut, right? He represents the healthy fats. Okay, so of course, like sometimes you hear, don't eat fats, it makes you overweight or it's not healthy, but actually we have some healthy fats that we can eat. Okay, healthy fats may be like olive oil, avocados, okay, and also some like walnuts, raw almonds. All of these, they provide us with healthy oils, healthy fats, omega-3 and antioxidants. Yes?
Mister, how do these eat their own time?
What?
How do you like how do I say
عادي احكي عربي إذا
كيف نأخذ ياكل يعني أكل جسمي
مين هو اللي بياكل؟
يعني how the
food here
like not wanted eats its own time.
هم كيف بياكلوا؟ هم يعني they are not in real life يعني they are represented our food groups, okay? Okay, so as we said, we need to eat our healthy fats, but of course if you have any nut allergy, you need to be careful and check the food labels. This is how our plate should be like. This is our healthy plate, food hero plate, okay? It should have all the 6 food groups, okay? So make sure also your lunchbox should have all the 6 food groups in order to have a healthy and balanced meal, as well as on your lunch, on your breakfast, it should be the same. Okay, and when you bring a lunchbox, it should be proper lunchbox and safe. It's better to have compartments so you can separate the food. If you are preparing it the night before, put it in the fridge so it will be cool for the next day. Because I know that, for example, you have 1 or 2 breaks in the school, you might not have a cooler or fridge to keep your food in it, right? So we need to keep our food safe, okay? But, and very important point, never leave the same food for the next day. Try to finish your food as much as possible in the same day, okay? Otherwise, we will have to, unfortunately, throw it in the garbage, but we don't want to have food waste. So that's why we need to eat all of the lunchbox in the same day. Why? Because if you keep the food for the next day, the bacteria is already there. It's growing up, and it's not safe for us, okay? So we don't have to have any food poisoning. The the names of the food heroes in the places. Who's in number one? Yalla, together, louder voice. Number one. Number two. Number three. Number four. Number five. Number six. Yalla. Who was the number one? Galia. Number two. Latif. Who says Latif? Yalla, let's see. Excellent. Okay, number three. Salim. Who says Salim? Oh, all of you. Okay. Number four. Mufid, are you sure? Nasheed or Mufid? Yalla, Mufid. Okay, number five. Rashid. And number six? Where is Ghalia? Ghalia here. So? Jamila. Excellent. You have good memory. Okay. Remember the food hero plate? Let's play another game. Remember the food hero plate?
Yes.
Okay, look properly at the plate. Remember that we said we need to have all the 6 food groups, right? Okay. Who is the missing heroes in the plate? Mufid, okay, and Latif. Okay, so Mufid and Latif are the missing food heroes in the plate. Excellent. And here are some ideas for you for healthy snacking, okay? So for example, instead of munching on a bag of chips, you can just eat and make your own healthy homemade popcorn, right? Instead of eating chocolates, we can eat like fruit skewers. Okay, have some fruits like this and eat them. Instead of eating like an ice cream, you can make your own smoothie at home. Bring like a yogurt or a yogurt, mix it with your favorite berries, some honey. It will make like a good meal for you. Try to snack on like cucumbers, carrots with hummus dip, lebanon dip, okay? All of these are healthy snacking for you to keep you healthy, to keep your digestive system healthy, and to keep your immune body system strong. And by this, we have finished our lesson for today. Do you want to have some activity? Ivy, we have activity for today? Yes. Yalla, we will have now some activity. I want you to draw a healthy plate or a healthy lunchbox, okay? I want to see who has the nicest plate. Yeah.
competition, how many steps did it have? 3. Exactly. Step 1 was, right, especially mark ones with the sticker on it, right? Yes, I like that. Step 2 was scan the sticker. Exactly. Scan the QR code, register. Step 3, go to Instagram and post a cool story, cool video about, hey, this cool idea how we can take care of our community
And be more healthier, right? Okay. Any more questions? Yeah, that's cool. Whatever you like. Everybody here is gonna get a gift bag. Is that cool? Yes, I like that. So, yes. So let me just read this. I'll get back to you. All right? Yes, I'm the big boss there. No, I'm kidding. Share your ideas with us on Instagram. Make sure you tag Lacnor Arabia and use hashtag Lacnor Healthy Future. Visit LacnorKidsCouncil.com or check the posters you will leave in your school. Check the activity books and the gift bags that everybody here is going to get. So, thank you so much for having us. It was a lovely school. It was a lovely day. Thank you, ISCS, for having us today. Have a lovely day. Thank you, Lacnor. Thank you, Dubai Municipality. Everybody, bye-bye.
You can say goodbye to our friends in the camera. All right.
The live scene.
You can have a lovely day. Thank you.
Yalla, take your bag and come here.
Yes.
Good morning. Good morning to our friends here in the live stream. So, everybody say hi to our friends in the live stream. Hi. All right. Welcome to the Oasis School Workshops supported by the Municipality. Today we're going to do cool experiments, as you can see. We're going to learn a lot, have a lot of fun. At the end, everybody's going to get some gifts. Is that cool? Yes. Perfect. So, before everything, let me tell you about this Small Voice Big Difference competition of the Oasis Council for Environment. Okay? Just tell your mom and dad about this because you could win a 1-year school tuition fee or an annual subscription to science, sports, music, all those type of lessons. Let me show you a bunch of stuff you could win. We got Air Maniacs. Anybody went to Air Maniacs before?
Yeah, I went to study.
Exactly. You can go there for 1 whole year. Right, on us. No worries about that. If you win, you can go there for 1 whole year. And let's see what's next. We got Curiosity Lab. Anybody been there before? You've been there? Really? Is it cool? All right, great. You can do cool experiments just like these, or maybe even cooler because that's on fire. That's in smokes, right? And we got Aspire Gymnastics. Anybody here wants to be a gymnast? Okay. Wait up. I got something cool for you guys. We got Heroes Academy. All right, I see now. Everybody's out now. I like that. All right. Everybody likes martial arts. Let's go. And we Courtyard Playhouse, right? Who wants to be an actor? No one? Come on. One? Seriously? That's it? All right. You see, in Courtyard Playhouse, they're going to teach you about acting, about, comedy, improv. You could learn all that. 1 whole year you can there and have fun. Then we got Infinite Ski. Oh, boom. Everybody's hands up now. Right? Everybody likes ski. We're in the middle of the desert. We're doing ski. That's lovely. All right. So, what's the competition about? That was the prizes. That was a few part of the prizes. So, the competition, it's about how us as a community, we can have a better environment, have a healthier environment. All right? So, everybody know what I'm talking about here?
Yeah.
Great. So, it's going to have 3 simple steps as we're going to show you here. You have to buy the specially marked packs of Oasis or Lacnor products. It doesn't necessarily have to be this big one, right? It could be those tiny juice ones. The important part is this sticker here and the QR code on it. Everybody? Okay? So that's that. That's step 1. Step 2 is scratch and scan the QR code, then register, right? When you scan the QR code, it's going to take you to the website. And you're going to register there. It's going to give you a little code. Make sure you save that code. And step 3, the most important one, the easiest one is, okay, before we start with step 3, who here has Instagram? Let's see your hands. Okay, whose parents has Instagram? All right, so almost everybody has Instagram, some way to get to Instagram. So the competition is on Instagram. So what you have to do is go on Instagram, post a video about how us as a community, we can have a healthier environment, as I told you guys. Then make sure you tag, it depends on which product you buy, you just make sure you tag Lacnor Arabia and use hashtag Lacnor Healthy Future. Let me do this cool thing with the laser. You can't see it anyway. Or our Oasis UAE and use hashtag Oasis Healthy Planet if it's an Oasis product. So now, before we start with anything, anybody here? Okay, you have a question?
What do we do in this competition?
Yes?
What do we do?
What do we do? All right, it's simple. You just go on Instagram and you post the video and be like, hey guys, if we do this as a community, we're going to have a healthier environment, we're going to have a better environment, and that's the whole thing. Yes?
My mom did not allow me on Instagram.
Well, okay.
Your mom can take the video.
Yeah.
Your mom can take the video for you and she can post it as well.
So yeah, like, you can ask your mom about that.
Yeah, your
right?
mom and dad can help you.
Exactly. So let's see who has a cool idea about how we can take care of the environment better. Come on, yeah, you.
We share a video on YouTube.
No, just yourself. Just an idea. Just an idea how we can have a better environment.
Protect our environment.
We share this juice for everybody in the country.
That's in order to get into the competition. But in order for us to protect our community and protect our environment, what sort of things can we do to protect our environment? What do you think we can do to help keep our Earth Very safe. Mohammed?
We don't have trees.
Okay, so cutting trees.
Yes, exactly. That's one. Yeah.
Musa?
Stop using plastic.
Fantastic.
Yes.
So limit the use of single-use plastics. Zaid?
Plant trees.
Plant more trees, absolutely. Raheel?
Use little electricity.
Boom.
Use less electricity that you need. And Hussein?
Recycling.
Recycle, absolutely. And last one.
Liz?
Trees in the face of
Exactly.
You cut one out, plant another one, it's amazing.
Exactly. As you can see, all these great ideas, it's just like the simple ideas, all right? It doesn't have to be such a sophisticated, really complicated. No, a simple idea. That's what we are. We're just looking for a simple idea, a cool idea, because your idea could win you this, and aside from that, knowing that you guys have these ideas, it's great. So are you excited about, winning the competition aside from that, right? Yes. Okay, so for that, you can go to oasiskidscouncil.com to know more about the competition, or you can check the posters we're going to leave in your school, or you can check the activity books in the gift bags that you're going to get. Everybody's going to get a gift bag after this, all right? Excited about that?
Yes.
Seriously, this is...
Yes.
Yes, let's go. So, this is Nate, our friend from Dubai Municipality. This is our friend, Dr. Alia, from Dubai Municipality's Environment Department. She'll be talking about environment, water, and I'm going to let her to teach you guys. And we're going to do cool experiments, too. So, here you go. That is for you. And let's go.
Yeah. Good morning. How are you guys?
Good
Good morning. You think it's good?
Yeah. Hopefully. I know, just go with the miss.
Yeah. How are you guys?
Good.
Yeah. My name is Alia. I came from the municipality with my friend Ray and my colleague Noura. We are a group from Environment Department. Okay? Ray is the hero of the Environment Department. Say hi to Ray.
Hi.
Yeah. Nice to meet you guys. We are so happy to come to your school to share with us this activity. We are from Environment Department. Do you have an idea about Environment Department? Yes, tell me.
It's a department that helps the environment.
Yes, in what subjects we can help? Yeah.
Like help the trees not cutting and help the plastics not go the sea
Uh-huh.
and help the fishes and things.
Bravo. Clap your hands for it. We have a nice idea about environment. The word environment, that means everything around us. You know this, right? Everything around us, we call it environment. But in our department, we are concentrating air, water, soil, plants, animals. Okay? Air, water, soil, plants, and animals. Me, my colleagues, all of us working on those items. Okay? Okay? Now we'll go on details. Today, I will explain for you one scope of our department. We're going to talk about groundwater. Groundwater. Water is so important. What is the main source of water in Dubai? Yes?
Rain.
Rain. After rain?
After rain, groundwater.
Exactly. Clap your hands for him. Good boy. Okay. My campaign about groundwater conservation, okay, and it's very important for us to conserve our groundwater because we don't have a lot of water in Dubai, and the main source of water is the groundwater. Yes, my dear.
Can we plant to make a river in Dubai?
Can we plant?
To make plants to make a river between the whole Emirates.
You want to make clouds?
No, a river.
River, yes, but it's very expensive. Very expensive, right? Okay? Let us deal with our sources. Okay? Okay, guys? If you have any question, you can raise up your hand, okay? Yeah. Today I will explain for you groundwater concept, about my program, water cycle. We're gonna do 2 experiments, very nice experiments. Are you willing to do experiments?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And I'm gonna show you the maps where we can find the groundwater wells in Dubai. Okay? Huh? Okay. Okay. This is my colleague, Ray, and he is the hero of Environment Department. What do you think? Why he's holding these? What is this? Leaves. Okay. And what is this? Represent what? Water. Clap your hands for him. And here we have a brown down on his shoes. What this represent? Soil. Bravo, all of you. Clap your hands for yourself. Okay. As I mentioned, we work on water, air, soil, and also I want to add for you the protected area. The protected areas in Dubai, we are working on them. How many protected areas do we have in Dubai? How many? 4? More? 40, I said. 40? No. Yes. A lot? Yes. We have 8. We have 8 protected areas in Dubai. 8. Okay? Example, Ras Al Khor, Jabal Ali protected area, Marmoom, Wuhush. We have 8 protected areas. What's the meaning of protected area? Tell me.
Area that only specific people can go to.
Take care, my dear. No move.
An area that only specific people can go to.
Specific people can go. I know. I'm thinking. Do you think it's specific? You have an idea about Marmoom? Marmoom. محمية المرموم تعرفوها؟
بس أنا عارفة من تربية الحين عايزين نتعلمها عن تربية تربية
Okay, you have an idea about Marmoom?
Yes.
Is there any specific people can go?
Yeah.
Specific?
No. Everybody.
Clap your hands for your teacher. Protected area. We have some protected areas with fence. Some of them we don't have fence. Marmoom area maybe, yes, Moin.
A protected area basically has animals that are almost extincted.
Yeah, exactly. Clap your hands for him. The biggest area in Dubai, Marmoom, maybe it's around 35% of the area of Dubai. It's a huge area. No fence, no security, no people that stop you there. You know this. You want there? هي نفس القدرة بحيرات القدرة هاي المنطقة. You understand me?
Yes.
Yes. This is the biggest, huge protected area in Dubai, and also we are working on it. Yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
Somewhere I went to, not last year, the year before, Hatta Dam. Is that a protected area or no?
It's related to our department, but there is Mahmiya protected area in Hatta, different than the dam.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Now you have an idea about our work. We are working in the beach, we are working in protected area, we are working in groundwater, we are working on the soil in Dubai. See, we have a lot of the scope of our department. Okay? Okay, let's again talk about groundwater. You see, what is the main source of groundwater here? What is the main source of groundwater here? I think things should be pushed a little bit. No problem, just I want to just to see the board. Okay? The camera is okay, my dear? Okay. Now, what is the main source here of water? Rain. Exactly. Then the rain precipitate over the crust. You know the meaning of crust? Yes. Then penetrate down. Can be as a lens or as a layer. Right? Lens or layer. What we can call this? What we call this? Ground water. And this is the main source of water in Dubai. We don't have lakes, we don't have springs, we don't have rivers, right? The main source of water in Dubai is groundwater. Where we can find groundwater, we can find groundwater in many types of rocks. The first one What you recognize, the first one? Yes. Huh? Breaks? No. What kind of stones we have or spaces in between? Yes.
These ones are called pebbles.
Pebbles, exactly. Clap your hands for hands. Now you have a good idea about water, groundwater. Maybe you studied with me in the university? Okay. The second one we have is sand. And sand, maybe the spaces between the particles, small. While you are developed, I'm telling you, we work on porosity. We work in a concept called porosity. This kind of rocks has high porosity, this is medium, and the last one, which can be clay or silt, and the porosity very less between them. This is example. See the bubbles? There's big spaces in between. In sand, the spaces become less, and silt and the clay, the spaces become very less. Okay? Good job. Are you okay with me now? Yes. This is my logo. My logo for groundwater. I use it in farms and Instagram and everywhere. I'm using this logo represent the groundwater in the farms, and these are the elements of the farms. Okay? Okay. Do you remember this? What is this? What?
Water cycle.
Water cycle. Clap your hands for yourself. Great children. Okay. Water cycle. Okay. You can recognize here. We have clouds, rain, precipitations, sometimes as snow, sometimes as rain, right? On the mountains, then rain off, then you have surface water, then recharge to groundwater, then discharge, then go to the surface water, then we have evaporation, then condensation. What's the meaning of evaporation?
What does evaporate mean, guys?
Yes, here.
When the water goes up the cloud.
Yeah, the water become?
Gas.
Which one? Oh, sorry.
So I will just fix this and then go ahead. I will operate from the laptop.
No problem. No problem. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, evaporation, what you said?
When the water turns into gas.
Bravo. Clap your hands for that. Yes. Condensation. What's the meaning of condensation? Yes, my dear. You are moving. I saw you one time there. Yes. Okay.
When the evaporated water cools down.
Okay, I want to remind you of something. You know when she's cooking, you can see.
When the gas cools
Yes,
down.
and when you open the cover of the pot, you can see drops of
Water.
what we can call this condensation. Okay, thank you. Next, my dear. Okay, now we'll do a very beautiful experiment showing you the porosity in the rocks and which one of the best to use for groundwater. Are you willing to concentrate with me? Yes. Okay, great children. I like your class. You're so nice. Okay. What do we have? What is this? What is this?
Container.
Beaker or
Container.
cylinder, maybe. We can use it. Cup? This is not cup. Okay. What is this? What is this? What is this?
Funnel.
This is funnel? This is funnel? What is this?
Filtered paper. Tissue. Filter.
This is a beautiful guy. What is this?
Filtered paper.
Floating paper? Exactly. Great children. Clap your hands for yourself. Yes, this is filter paper. And what is this? Funnel. I can't now. Okay, we have 3 sets, and we're gonna put water over the first one. You see the bubbles, big size. The second one, can see, guys? I'm sorry if you cannot see. The last group, you can come here. Stand up here. Let them stand here.
Is it okay, miss, if we can put this on this table so everyone can see?
Yes. Okay. Okay.
So, what you guys can do is, Miss is going to put it on this table. Can I get people just standing around the table? So you guys will just stand around here.
But we have to keep the social distance. Yeah, please, social distance between the children.
Okay, alright, stop. Sorry.
Yeah.
Because we still need to keep
Yes,
this distance.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, twins, can you two can stand over here?
No, they can spread just like this.
Yeah, just to make sure that we keep the social
Okay?
distancing.
For your health, right? Yes. Okay, guys? Yeah. Yalla, shall I start?
Yes.
You concentrate a lot because you're gonna tell me one of these the best to be suitable for ground water. Can I start?
Yes.
Yes. Wow.
Alright, let's go.
Wow. مية نحط فيهم كلهم مية. اوكي؟ هذا مية كمان. This دخان. This is dust. Now you're gonna tell me which one is the best to choose it for groundwater. Who said orange? Raise up your hand. Who said the best is orange? Who said the blue? Who said the green? Who said the green? Who said the green? Who had a lot of water? Yeah, who had? Okay, who's the best? Green. Yeah, raise up your hand. Which one is the best? Bravo. Little is the best. You can find groundwater. You can see by yourself. If you want to measure by cylinder, we can find, the green.
Can I get everyone back to your tables for me, please, and make sure we keep our distance. Everyone back to your tables. Ali, Mohammed, bring your chairs back to the table here, please. Let's keep the distance.
I have a question for my friend. Where is he? Yeah, you. Why you are not agree with me? The blue. Why?
The blue has not. The green has so much more.
The green has more than the blue.
Yes.
I think we changed the funnel today.
The green? Yeah, and what we said, when we discuss what do we agree? Green. Yeah, now we are satisfied. The green is better than the blue. Okay, thank you. Nice boy. I like you when you think loudly with me, right? Yes. Okay, next, my dear. We have another experiment. I think you're gonna like it. Shooting the film. Yeah, we were gonna do rain now and clouds. Yeah.
Alright, that's everybody go home.
Look to the TV.
So, in the meantime,
They're little experiments here.
Yeah, let's bring it back to the front. Thank you to Dani, thank you to Salim, thank you to Mohammed Abdullah as well, and Saif. Miss will hold it up in the air so you can see it.
This is upside down.
You want to do it?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Look like it's raining blood.
Stay in your place.
Alright, so each group's going to get one. Should these see blue on this side, sorry, one here, on this side, one go back to the table. One here,
I'll put this one to your colleagues, yeah?
Alright, so you guys and you guys, right? Ready? You gotta get your food down now. Get up. Right, ready? You guys are not gonna get it.
You don't have cards? The last group, they don't have? No, they have? Okay. Yeah, okay. Yes.
Check down there.
Do you like it? You can see the rain? Okay, guys.
What's the most common word in there?
Clap your hands for them. Water. Guys, we are using the water. We are using the water a lot in our life, right? Agriculture and washing dishes and making cup of coffee. How many liters do you think we need to make cup of coffee? Yes. You can cheat for me. Okay. Imagine only 140 liters to make one cup of coffee. See how much water is in water? Yes. What do you want to do?
If you want to do one, I think it would be like 90. 100.
What do you think?
The 140 liters. You see, guys, that's
we need 2,900 gallon of water. Too much, right? Yeah, water. Okay, guys, if you want to use your swimming pool, you consume a lot of water.
Yes.
Okay, now we are using a lot of water. We are wasting a lot of water. We have to conserve our water. Okay, next my dear. Okay. Do you have an idea where we can find the wells?
The what?
Wells in Dubai.
Mountain.
Mountain. We have mountains in Dubai. Just حتى far from here, right?
Yeah.
In Dubai, the city.
2 hours.
The city, Dubai city. Where?
Underground.
Which place? No idea in Dubai. We are working in Dubai. Our scope just in Dubai. We are not working in Dubai. لا. Wait. Let us explain for him. My dear, we have 7 Emirates, right? Sharjah different than Dubai. We have Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Kuwait, Amman, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah. 7 places different. And everyone has his own municipality, right? And we are working just on Dubai. Okay, Habibi? Okay, just explain for him. No need to say comments, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Habibi? Where we can find now in Dubai? Where we have, where is the place we have farms in Dubai? Tell me.
Oasis.
Oasis? No. Yes. Bravo, clap your hands for Okay, now the farms concentrate in Lehbab, Lisayli, Khawani. All these places concentrate with farms. And the only places you can find wells for farms in those places. My dear, in Dubai, we have 2 parts working in water. Diwa, Dubai Municipality. Okay? Diwa works on water in houses. Dubai Municipality work on farms and other open areas. You understand me now?
Yeah.
Okay. For me, when I have work, I go to the farm. When they have, we say up, I have inspection out, I go those places. But you will work inside the houses. Okay? Okay? Now we have 3,000 well in Dubai in the farms, which is a huge number. Imagine we have 3,500 well. That means we are consuming a lot of water. Okay, 1,000 active. You know the meaning of active? Yeah, today is working. Maybe tomorrow stop some of them, after tomorrow. But today is 1,000 well is working. Okay, guys? 3,500 all. They took permission from Dubai Municipality Environment Department, 3,500. Okay? Which is a huge number. Okay? Now, while you are going far from the shore, you see the shore or the beach, we go down here, Al-Ihbab, Al-Khawanij, Al-Lisani, all these places concentrate with wells. Okay? I have program, a groundwater program, and we have 5 aims on this program. The 5 aims to stop flood irrigation, to have license from the Municipality Environment Department for digging the well and using a company that has license also. You have to use organic fertilizers and pesticides. You have to use solar system, and you have to stop also plants consuming a lot of water. For example, rhodes. You know rhodes? You know the plant rhodes? Rhodes. Type of plant in Dubai. It's not allowed to use this plant in Dubai, or you know why? Consume a lot of water, and this plant has a big roots and go under constructions or under all the places and could suck a lot of water. Okay. Now the rules to stop rhodes. Now it's not allowed to plant rhodes. Sometimes you can take fine. Okay. Okay. Next, my dear. Oh. I will show you the way for irrigation, and you're gonna tell me which one right, which one wrong. Okay? Sorry.
In the meantime, let's have a look and let's see who is ready because I want us to make sure that we get all the information before we actually do the experiments. There's still two more experiments to go. This is going to be
Jenna, you want me to come up?
You want to help?
I think he knows.
Go back.
Danny.
Okay, what do you think the best way in agriculture for water? Tell me, you, from your experience. Best way to get the plants.
Please, can you come to the front class? خلاص done, thank you.
Nice. See, what is this? What is this? Farm, exactly. See the way in powering water, what we call this? Flood irrigation. This is a flood irrigation. Do you think is it the suitable way for irrigation?
No.
We will see the oh, we lost it. We lost it.
Unfortunately, I do need to go upstairs. I've got another class I need to teach. Mr. Abdurrahman will be with you guys, and he will take you guys back upstairs. He teaches year 5 BB and he's got advanced science as well. Okay, so no. So, sitting up beautifully, let me see who is sitting up facing the front.
Where is the front?
It's fantastic.
I am going to maybe come close. I'll just sit in here. No, I've changed it from there.
Anyway, you saw the picture? We said it's wrong, right? What is the best way for irrigation?
You can fix perfect.
What?
You can fix it.
Is it? No, the way for irrigation. How we can change it to what? Tell me. Yes. You saw the picture, they open the water and the water spread over the farm. Is it right? No. Is it right?
No.
Now give me example another way. Yes.
We put this and we make a barrier so it escape. The escape bounce back.
Bravo, clap your hands for him. Proper sprinkler, subsurface techniques. Those are the best way to conserve water, to protect the plants, to give more crops, to avoid decay the soil, no more problems in the soil. We have to use sprinkler, subsurface, and rock. And now the one who's doing this in his farm for flood irrigation, we are giving him fine. Okay, guys? Okay? Okay. Now the other issue I talked to you in my games, you remember, that we have to stop using chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Why? خلاص no need, I will explain. Oh, now it's again. See, drip irrigation, sprinkler, subsurface is playing with us. Okay, next, my dear. See? We have to use organic fertilizers and pesticides, not chemical. Why? Why?
Because if it's chemical, maybe it will explode.
Explode?
Kill the plant. Explode and kill the plant.
Bravo. And what else? Yes.
There might be like animals and humans that eat the plants, and you put chemicals in them, they might damage their bodies.
Yes, exactly. And yes.
It might damage the soil.
Bravo. And the
Plant.
plants and the water also. The chemicals penetrate down and reach the groundwater. What happened to my groundwater? What happened? Contaminated, right?
Yeah.
Full of chemicals. Is it good for drinking?
No.
For plants?
No.
We have to avoid using chemicals, right?
Yeah.
Next, my dear. This example for plants, how much they are consuming water. Imagine tomato. Tomato, we need 3 to 7 liters of water per day. Palm tree, 13 to 20 liters. And the cucumber, 1.8 to 2 liters per day. We are consuming a lot of water in our farms. We have to avoid using plants consume a lot of water, like wood plants. For example, as I said before, roses. Okay, it's wood plants. It's not giving us any crops, right?
Yes.
Next, my dear. Okay, now we finish explaining for you my program, the scope environment department, and we have to conserve our groundwater because it's our treasure. The water is very important in our life. We want to keep it for the future. The strongest and the strongest country has a lot of water, not weapons, water, right? Okay? Not oil. Oil will finish. But water,
We'll never finish.
yes, yes. Now we will do 2 activities. And I wish you are there. Okay? Where's the board? We want to do the board for them?
Yes, the boy is ready, right? Ready for the activity.
The board. Yeah, the board, please. Yeah. Yeah. Granddaughter recharge. Okay, thank you. Go back to your seat. Yes. Recharge again. Yes. Yes. Granddaughter floor. Yes. Thank you. Return back. Yes. Stream flow. Bravo. Yes. Lake. Bravo. Thank you.
Well done, you guys know your
Ice and snow. Ice and snow. You take care about it. Put every day 3 grams of water. Okay, and go to see your class. Okay? When? Today I will take it to you. Sorry?
You can put it in your class if you want to.
Yeah.
They're already planted in the class.
Oh, great.
This year,
Guys? One school last week. This one now. It's not three, just something. A huge number, more than 80 students, and they're so
initiation to award the plaque may I call on the representative of the municipality and environment department, Dr. Alia.
Pleasure to have you here, really.
Well, thank you very much.
Such an important topic.
This,
Thank you very much.
this plaque of recognition is presented to International Student of Creative Science for being an advocate of sustainability and health, inspiring kids to make positive changes. Please.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Well, you hold one side, I'll hold one side. So, thank you very much. It's such an important thing. We're so glad you guys can make it. Wonderful. I think it's amazing. We've been doing some work on ozone and any further questions?
Please, everybody, give a round of applause to Dr. Alia.
Thank you so much. Say thank you, God.
Obviously, Dr. Alia.
Thank you. Amazing. But I want to tell you something. Okay, I want you to study water. Are you willing to study water? Yeah, water under civil engineering, by the way. This I want to advise you.
Did you hear that, guys? Yeah?
Yeah.
But where do you study water? Which profession?
Listen, my dear. All of you want to study civil engineering, right? Most of the boys want to study. But for me, when I attend this subject, I'm not studying the structure or planning or urban. I studied water. Water is so important. Water is so important, and we need you to study in the future water. We have a lot of civil engineering here for structure, planning, urban, right? But do you know anyone study water? Who? You? Yes,
مين بيعرف حدا دارس عن الماء؟
مين حدا دارس هندسة مدنية؟ water. مين؟ في حدا؟ Very rare, very. When I studied the subject, everybody is laughing with me. Oh, you are studying water? Are you crazy? Water? Why are you not going to study structure, planning, urban? I said, no, I want to study water. I have 4 certificates in water. 4, not 1, 4. And I want you to study because when I'm looking around me, I couldn't find people to study water. Okay? Because it's the gradual water, as I told you. Right?
Right? Do you remember you had Ozone Day not too long ago, right? Right. What we know from Ozone Day is that actually, because of the impact on the ozone layer, many rivers are starting to dry up. Many of the big rivers are saying in the next 30 or 40 years will reduce massively. So the water won't get to the cities. So it's so important for people to understand this.
And also melting. There is a lot of melting of ice. After that, we have shortage of water. Our treasure is lost now. You know this? No treasure, no water.
Can we have one more round of applause for Dr.
just going to go over the competition one more time so everybody remembers what was the 3 steps. So who remembers step 1? Yeah, you buy the specially marked bags and with the sticker on it, right? Step 2, you scan the sticker, you scan the QR code and register there. Step 3, all you have to do is just go on Instagram, ask your parents before you do this. Go on Instagram and make sure you post a video and you share your cool ideas with us. But before that, make sure you tag our Oasis UAE and use hashtag Oasis Healthy Planet. Visit OasisKidsCouncil.com at home, right, to learn more about the competition, learn more about all this environment stuff. And aside from that, you can check the posters we're going to leave in your school, check the activity books we're going to leave in the goodie bags, and just before everything, we're going to be a box of water, right? It's not going to be a bowl of water, it's going to be a box of water because it's more sustainable. It's going to use less plastic. You're going to have one of those this book, all right? Okay, so thank you, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Parker, for coming over. So, just wave goodbye to our friends, and maybe leave yourself here. All right? Just back here. All right. Okay, everybody, thank you. ISCS, right? ISCS, thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.
Take a seat, please. Okay. Wait to go. Next table, you go line up with the teacher.
مستر فلاور انا انزل صراحه اخذ
Everyone class? Is there anyone absent today in your class?
Yes.